Well, the first trade is closed. This trade has been already closed with profit. According to the SAR CNI currency pair, we are moving in the very sharp downgoing channel. Let me change our investment from $150 to $95, and let me try to open sell position in the continuation of the current sharp drop. We have already done this. $95 are invested. According to all indicators that we're using today, we're in the strong sell zone, so that's why no sense to invent something new. We have already understood the current trend. It's declining, so that's why, of course, we have open sell position in the current movement. Well, the first trade is closed with profit. Of course, we have $237. Now we are ready to proceed further. Okay, let me change our investment to 120 and let's try to open buy position because, well, according to the Supertrend, we're in the buy zone. Parabolic SAR is showing us that we are going at least to change the current direction, because for now it shows us that we're in the sell zone, but according to the Aroon, we still have a lot of space for the growth, so that's why buy suggestions they are prevailing right now. And to be honest, I can clearly see that drop was stopped by the support line zone, and now we're receiving the pullback reaction, so that's why I decided to open buy position, and I think that I was right. I am almost sure about this, so that's why let's see. Just several seconds left until the time runs out, and we will see who was right. But the trade is really risky, to be honest. We are very close to the entry point, but anyway, this trade was closed with profit, and we have $347 on the account right now. That's good. That's really good. Resistance line zone, but as I understand, this was just a false breakout, because after this, price got back below the resistance line zone, and this means for us that we are ready to drop from this point. That's why I have already opened sell position and wasting our $120 here. And all we are doing right now is just waiting for the result of this trade. And while we are waiting for this, my friends, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, in which you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, educational materials, and much more. That will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time. Do this, be with me, be in my dream team, link in the description. Okay, my friends, this trade has been already closed with profit. We were absolutely right when we opened it. Now we have $458 on the account. Now price is trying to break through the zigzag line. We will help it to do this by opening the buy position. Moreover, according to the Supertrend and Parabolic SAR, together with Aroon oscillator, we're now in the strong buy zone, so that's why, of course, I have opened this buy position. Yep, I see that now we have a huge red candle immediately as we open the buy position, but anyway, we have enough time to see the situation to change. Yes, for now the situation doesn't look good, to be honest, and we have invested $200 here, but still we have some time left. Let's see what will happen. Oh my god, please grow. Just several seconds left, and it wants to grow, it wants to grow. Yes, almost done, please. Oh my fucking god, this was a very risky trade. We almost lost this $200, but finally we did it. $642 on the account. And let's open just sell position in the continuation of the current strong drop. So that's it. We have already opened the position. $460 are invested. all indicators and oscillators are telling us that we're in the strong sell zone. Let's just relax and wait until the time runs out and we get cash from this trade. Well, it's also done, and we have finished our trading session for today. We have $1,065 in the account, 10 times more than we had at the beginning. If you want to have the same kind of results, it's absolutely possible. Just use the link in the description and subscribe to my private TG. See you all, kiss you all, and bye-bye.